So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to tag someone in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do once you're logged into your Microsoft Planner is go over to your plans. So you can see some of the names of plans on here. You can see portfolio, tasks, day, and stuff like that. So from here, let's just open a plan. So if you have a plan, you usually have tasks which are added to that plan. So you can see a simple plan, you can see grid, board, schedule, timeline, share, and so on. So from here, if I want to assign tasks, I can also go to here, label, assign, copy, copy link, move, and stuff like that. And it's basically the same for any task. So if I click on this, I will see the option assign tasks. So it's something that hasn't started yet, but if I open it up, click on here so you can see the backlog, progress, and checklist. So you can even add items, attachments, and so on. I can just go to here and just type this in, and for instance type the name I'm using right now, or some other coworker that's working on this or should take a look at that plan or rather task, and you can just tag people through there just if you have. And you can see show on card, so I'm just going to type in this, go over to the save option or just exit it, and you can see here it's added like this. So that will be a tag. It's going to notify the person that's been tagged so they can take a look at that task, maybe with a question or something like this, so they can quickly take a look at that and then help out. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.